How's it going, everyone? Thanks so much for tuning in to the channel. Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk to you about Solana and some key things that are going on with the chart action right now. We're going to also look at some technical analysis and talk about some sentiment around the token. Before we get into it, though, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit the like button on this video, and let's get into it. Excuse me. All right. We can see here. So, will Solana be the shining star of the bull market? Well, I did a video the other day saying that Solana was going to go down, possible retracement. Solana has just kept going. Sometimes technical analysis is, it's one tool that allows us some data, and sometimes that doesn't work out. It just really depends on the overall sentiment and the overall market. Excuse me, there for a second. But Solana just continued to power through. It's looking at another target in sight, and let's talk about that. So, Solana was a casualty of the FTX contagion in 2022. Solana has defied all the odds in 2023 as the price continues to outshine its peers. In the last 30 days, the value of Solana has increased by 180%, rising as high as $62 on November the 11th. Once it was described as dead, it has now shown tremendous strength to come back like it has. So the big players are here. According to Blunt's FTX, after getting the go-ahead to liquidate assets, it has been selling around 250,000 to 700,000 daily for the last 3 weeks. Regardless of the sales, Solana has failed to nosedive. Rather, the price has chosen the upside. So we can see this is Blunt's tweet right here, or X post, sorry. There's also been other other entities backing the Sol price action. One of the major ones is the Grayscale Solana Trust, GSOL. Unlike Sol, which allows ownership, GSOL only allows investors to gain exposure to Solana without actually owning the token. So a look at Yahoo Finance's data showed the price per share on the asset was $202. Also, the premium rate has grown by 76.99% in the last 24 hours. So this growth implies that there have been a surge in institutional money allocated to GSOL. We can see the chart here. This is the GSOL chart, and it is showing the increase there. So if the institutional liquidity continues to flow into the Solana market, Sol may not slow down. The RSI is sitting at about 88%, 88, sorry. The RSI is sitting at about 88 on the Sol USD daily chart. Typically, an RSI with a reading such as that are considered overbought, so the Sol price is supposed to reverse. However, technical analysis is just one part of trying to determine where the future of a price is going to go. The bullish sentiment is also in the market, and it has the demand for the token, and it has ensured that it has not fallen below the $58 mark. Should Sol sustain the current buying momentum, then the price may head in the $70 direction. So there is a chance that a retrace occurs, probably to about $55, but there could be an enormous price fluctuations in the short term. All right, so that is showing us here with the RSI. And yeah, so normally that an RSI of 80, yeah, that's in the overbought zone, see a retrace, etc. But with the momentum that's coming in, it doesn't seem to be slowing down. All right, so we're expecting an exponential increase in the Sol value. It's not out of order, but in the long term, there's a high chance that Sol outperforms a number of blue chip cryptocurrencies, considering the current hype around it. Let's go over and have a look at the chart. This is on the 1 day. So this would be from April on. So just massive momentum here on the chart. Let's have a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, so be nice to have a bit of a consolidation here in this range, because if we do, we can establish a bit more support and start a leg up for the next run. However, I personally would like to see a little bit of a pullback on the chart, allowing me maybe a position of entry to get in on this. I don't like to buy it when it's up this high. I mean, that is our local top since back, oh geez, quite some time. That's the highest it's been in quite some time. So, I mean, this is not an area where I would consider purchasing. If the hype and the volume still continues, I might wait till it drops down a little bit, get an entry point, and then make a bit of a swing trade here. But I'm definitely going to keep tabs on this for you guys. So just to let you guys know, that's what's going on. Please continue to like and subscribe like my videos, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll keep you guys updated on everything Solana. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great day.